Hello everyone, myself Sanjit Kumar Singh, lecturer in Electronics and Telecommunication Department at Praveen Patil Polytechnic, Bhandar. This is practical number 25 of the subject Applied Electronics. The title of the practical is Low Voltage Regulator using IC 723. So this is the circuit we have from the book manual or MSBT manual, and we are implementing it on a breadboard. So the IC LM723 is mainly used, and the rest of the components are given as per the table are taken. So voltage regulators are used to compensate for voltage fluctuation in the main power as well as load current variation. Voltage regulators are used in industries as well as in domestic applications such as air conditioners, TV receivers and refrigerators, in order to protect them from fluctuating input voltage. So the competency after completing this practical is to use discrete electronic devices and voltage regulators. A relevant course outcome is to maintain IC voltage regulator and SMPS. Practical outcome expected is to build low voltage regulator using IC 723 for the given regulated output voltage. So IC 723 voltage regulator is commonly used for series voltage regulator applications. It can be used for low and high voltage regulator. The output voltage can be set to have any desired positive voltage between 2 volt to 37 volt. So output is ranging from 2 volt to 37 volt. It is available in both dual inline package as well as metal can package. Here we have the dual inline package DIL, and the pin diagram we see of the IC LM723. It is 14 pin IC with the pin number 7 and 14 as the pin number 7, and pin number 11 is for the VCC supply. 12 and 7 is for the VCC supply, and pin number 11 is short circuited with 12. So what are the features of this 723 voltage regulator? It can provide 150 milliampere of output current without external pass transistor, and with external pass transistor it can provide 10 ampere current also. And input voltage ranges from 9.5 to 40 volt. So in order to properly functioning, it requires minimum DC voltage 9.5 volt, and maximum we can apply to 40 volt. To be safe, we are limiting it to 37 volt, and the output voltage obtained voltage that can be adjustable from 2 volt to 37 volt, and can be used either in linear or switching regulator. Reference voltage internally generated is 6.8 volt to 7.5 volt, and line regulation here for the IC 723 is 0.5 volt of the output voltage to 0.001% of the output voltage. Similarly, load regulation is 0.6% of the output voltage to 0.003% of the output voltage. There is inbuilt short circuit protection circuit that has the limit of ISC 65 milliampere at the short circuit resistor of 10 ohms and output voltage 0. Quiescent current drain is 3.5 milliampere, and typically we have the 1.3 milliampere for it. Down here we see the block diagram representation of IC LM723. It includes the voltage reference source, error amplifier, a series pass transistor, and a current limiting transistor. So here we see the voltage reference amplifier. This is the error amplifier, and here we have the series pass transistor, then current limiting, current sensing transistor, then for temperature compensation we have the Zener diode, and there is a constant current source, and the voltage reference generated internally is between 6.8 to 7.5 volt at this terminal. Okay, so the output of error amplifier drives the series pass transistor Q1 to give output voltage, and transistor Q2 is connected internally to provide short circuit current limiting. So here we have the Q1 and Q2. Now for the observation, we have two tables. First table is for taking the measurement of V in and V out for line regulation, and second table is for the load regulation, where we are measuring the load current and the output voltage. So here we have set the potentiometer at 10 kilo ohm, and it will be kept constant throughout, and input voltage is changed and output voltage is noted down. So input voltage is increased in steps of 2 volt, and last here we have 26 volt, and next 30 volt we have taken, and these are the readings for the different 10 volt. At 10 volt we get 8.60, and accordingly we have noted down the readings. And the calculation part, here we have the sample calculation part for line regulation. Line regulation is change in the output voltage to the change in input voltage. So here we have taken the reading number 5 and 6, reading number 5 and 6, and calculated the output voltage change and the input voltage change. So this ratio comes to 0.995. So this is the voltage that is changing for unit voltage change. Per volt this much voltage is changed. So therefore the line regulation can be said to be 0.05% of the output. And this is the potentiometer, we have set it at 10 kilo ohm, and this is 5 watt 15 ohm RSC. So components are connected as per the circuit, and the voltage right now it is at 10 volt, and for 10 volt we are getting the output voltage that can be measured with the help of a voltmeter, DC voltmeter, across these two terminals of the potentiometer. So here we get 8.59 for the 10 volt input. Similarly we change the input from the DC supply and note down the corresponding output voltage. So we have filled this table by taking the readings.